I'm going to show you a total of 5 different apps that you can do starting today. All of these apps focus on one thing, which is to bring in passive income for you. They are working without you selling anything. Even if you're sleeping, you can still generate income on the daily basis. But bear in mind that you have to follow my specific instructions and easy steps in order to succeed. I highly recommend you to watch every second of this video without skipping ahead, or better yet, rewatch this video to learn all the exact secrets. Remember, the more apps that you use, the more money you are going to make. And by using all of these 5 apps together, you could be making $900 or more per day. Stay tuned and keep watching. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. Now this is the first app which I am going to show you in today's video. Again, make sure you keep watching to learn all of these 5 apps in order to maximize your earnings. The name of this app is actually called DollarClicks. The website is dollarclicks.com. Basically, you can earn rewards and cash on this website by simply doing some simple service. Now, once you've successfully completed your tasks and surveys, you are able to get paid via PayPal, Visa card, bank transfer, wire transfer, or gift cards like Amazon or Tango, and many more different payment options. And also, the reason why I love DollarClicks a lot is because they offer you many different partners all in one single website. So you can see here OfferWall, WannaAds, Personally, Peanut Labs, AdGate Rewards, AdWall, OfferToro. All of these are very famous companies that offer simple tasks and simple surveys that you can get paid. This is the #1 paid survey community, and you can do this on your mobile phone by simply downloading this app. Right over here, you can see they have over 4,900 active members every single day logging into the app and start earning passive income. And over 1.5 million total rewards claimed by all the members and over 500,000 total gift cards sent. And with over 25 different partners of different offer walls that you could choose to work on and start generating income. I'll show you the proof of payments right here on this website. You can see here the different payout methods that you can do. When you scroll down below, you can see all the usernames, all the dates that they withdrew their cash, the payment method they chose, and the amount of earnings. At the very bottom, you can see there are over 4,000 pages of payment proof. And right here, you can check out people who have cashed out their payments and who are rewarded points as sign-up bonuses on DollarClicks. So real quick, let me show you how to sign up for a free account. On the homepage, I want you to click on registration. This is very simple. Once you fill up the registration details, you can instantly get 10 bonus points. Just type in your first name, last name, username, password, email address, and click on I'm not a robot. Agree to the terms and privacy policy and just click on the sign up button. Moving on to app number 2, which is called Big Ticket Commissions. This is the world's first automated high ticket commission system. Brand new web-based app generates instant high ticket commissions and red hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. Now in the past, I've been talking about different apps where you can earn commissions online, but Big Ticket Commissions focuses on high ticket, meaning that every single pop of commission you can earn up to $1,000. The best thing about this app is that everything is done for you and they instantly send you free traffic and free clicks to your affiliate link. You can easily set this up in under 15 minutes and with 3 simple steps. And they do have a step-by-step tutorial within the app. Step number 1, you have to first insert your affiliate link. Step number 2, you activate the free built-in traffic within the app. Step number 3, sit back, relax, and get sales. And by using this exact strategy, a lot of people are making good commissions online even as a complete beginner. You can see here as of today $995 and yesterday $1,700 worth of sales. An extra $400 a month, $500 a month is a very good amount of money, especially in terms of passive income. And again, you can use big ticket commissions on any affiliate products including Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other affiliate products that you want to promote. Like I said, they have a lot of happy customers and users already making money using the exact app. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your region. Moving on to app number 3 is called Honeygain. On this app, you can also earn passive income effortlessly, and the concept is really simple. With Honeygain, you can actually make money by just simply sharing the internet connection. Now you can download this on your mobile phone or on your computer. This is 100% free, easy ways to earn passive income. With Honeygain, start making money online in just a few minutes. Simply install the app on your devices and sign up for a free account, lean back, and watch your balance increase. So basically, this is how Honeygain works. Step number 1, you have to set up the system. Now you have to install the app, which is 100% free on any of your devices, and you can connect them on the internet. Step number 2, once you've connected your devices to the internet, you have to run Honeygain. It securely shares internet with no access to personal data. Don't worry, because they don't have any access to your private and personal data. And once you start Honeygain, your connections is used to gather bits of information from the internet with other people around the world. And by doing that, you get to help businesses and other people as well. And finally, you get paid passive income without doing any extra work, because you can just simply turn on any of the devices, start sharing your internet connection, and you can get paid without doing anything. They do have one thing very interesting on their website, which allows you to estimate your basic earnings. Honeygain recommends you to share 3 different devices, and right here you can change the amount of data traffic that you are willing to share. For example, 2, 5, 8, up to 20 gigabytes. You can just drag the slider right here, including the daily content, and they will show you the estimated earnings with the corresponding number of devices recommended. Now on this website, the earning is not a lot, but the good thing is that this is a totally passive income without any investment. You can click on this blue button right here to download Honeygain for free on their website. Moving on to the next app is called One Page Profits. This is the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 plus commission from free traffic. What it does is that it'll help you to plug and play money pages and do all the selling for you 24/7. You can apply One Page Profits on Warrior Plus as well and generate daily commission. And this system drives autopilot commissions in 2 easy steps. Step number 1, just paste in your affiliate ID. You can just give them any link that you want, any promotional link, any referral code, any affiliate links that you want. And once you copy and paste your referral links into the system, they will start activating the free traffic system within One Page Profits. By just simply copy and pasting, you can start enjoying daily passive income in terms of commission. By using One Page Profits, you don't have to make any videos, you don't have to create any products, no need for social media marketing, no need for vlogging, no need for content marketing. And more importantly, there's no waiting, because this is fast and easy for you to start making your first commission using One Page Profits. Moving on to the very last app is called SlideJoy. You can access this app at getslidjoy.com. Basically, what it does is that you install this app for free on your mobile phone or on any of your mobile devices. Once you install the app on your phone, they will start showing different ads right at the lock screen of your mobile phone. For example, ads of shoes or a clothing brand. If you want to close the advertisement, what you can do is just slide right to go back to the home screen and start using your phone normally. And by simply installing this free app on your phone, by simply allowing them to show advertisements on your phone, you can make passive income without doing anything. Even while you're sleeping, even while you're using a mobile phone as usual, you are still going to get paid. And the reason why this company is willing to pay you money to show advertisements, they are hoping that maybe someday you will be interested in any one of these, you purchase something through the advertisement, and they are going to make money. So they are willing to invest in you the money, and they're gonna pay you passive income to allow all these different advertisements to show up on your mobile phone. They are also partnered up with some of the biggest companies, and they are definitely legit. So once you have earned your money, you have earned your cash, you can withdraw your money straight into your PayPal account. You can also download this on your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, and this is 100% free. Its name is SlideJoy, lock screen cash rewards, and the logo looks like this. Make sure you're downloading the right application. And those are the 5 apps that can earn you passive income without any experience, without investing any money at all, without any technical skill required. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer and an internet connection. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!